In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slider in Webflow easily. First, open your project in Webflow and head into the designer so you're working on the live canvas of your page. With the canvas visible, we're going to add a slider component. Open the Add panel in the left toolbar. If you don't immediately see the component you need, use the search field at the top and type Slider. In the Component section, choose the Slider option. You'll recognize it by the description that mentions adding dynamic components like image galleries and slideshows, rotating content, and more. That's exactly what we need. Click to add the slider to your page. Webflow drops in a default slider with previous and next arrows, dots for navigation, and a couple of starter slides. Select the slider on the canvas so its controls appear. Now, let's expand it. Find the Add Slide control in the slider settings on the right and click Add Slide to create another one. Repeat this as many times as you need. You can add as many slides as you want, and you'll be able to customize transitions and control how the slider behaves on different device sizes. With your slides in place, switch to the Style panel. Here, you can set the slider's size, spacing, and layout. Style the slide and slide mask elements to control how your content is framed, and adjust the arrows and dots so they match your brand. Tip: use flex or grid inside each slide to keep content aligned consistently across all slides. Next, move to the Settings panel. This is where you control behavior. Choose the transition type, adjust the animation duration and easing, toggle infinite looping or autoplay, and decide whether users can swipe on touch devices. These options help the slider feel smooth and responsive. If you want extra polish, open the Interactions panel and add entrance or hover animations to elements inside each slide. Keep it subtle so it complements the built-in slide transition rather than competing with it. When you're done, return to the Settings panel to confirm everything is set the way you want. Now go back to the slider on the canvas and continue clicking. Add slide until you have the exact number you need. Populate each slide with images, headings, and buttons, keeping your design consistent. That's it. You've added a slider, styled it, configured its behavior, and expanded it with additional slides.